So they introduced this built-in SEO support for the metadata API. This is pretty neat, but that's not what I'm super interested in. We can cover this later. Yes, custom route handlers. So I wanted to see if I could start a project. Use these custom route handlers and completely replace the page's API directory. Yeah, which I think is the only step left now for completely switching over to the Git directory. Interesting. Okay, so let's start a pretty bare bones project. I'm going to be using PNPM. I aliased it to P here. Actually, is my font big enough? Do I need to make everything big? Is that better? Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to create a new project here. Yep. System code. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Interesting. Generally, yes. Oh, it actually gives you these options now. Yes. What import alias would you like configured? I think that's fine. I've never used this creator before. Normally, I'm using the Create T3 app, so that's interesting. CD13.2, and let's open that in code. So I'll close this window, and I'll make this smaller. Yeah, looks good. Nice. Oh, wow. Okay. So they give you pretty much everything that you want already. Interesting. Yeah. That's actually pretty cool. So even with just creating a new project, I already have everything I need. My dog wants to say hi. Oh, what happened to the screen? Oh, there you are. I hope I didn't lose these for too long. Yeah, that was strange. Hey, buddy, what's wrong? My dog wants some attention. Hey, what's wrong? Do you need something? just attach it. Okay. Okay. You are satisfied. I'm gonna jump back to this. So I'm just gonna start this real quick. So P. Again, what's wrong? I don't know if you can see him, but you wanna say hi? Let's just bring this down a bit. There he is, just like right here. Hi. Hey. 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 This one scratches, I guess. One second, let me handle him. Is there a way to mute this mic from here? Because my stuff is over here. Am I muted? Check. Check. Interesting. How did I mute my mic? Is there any quick options? And I am back. Okay, so I'm just gonna start this up. pdev. Let's go to TypeScript version. Do you like to first use them? So that should be started at localhost 3000. So let's go http /localhost. Why am I doing that? Let's click it here. Okay. Oh, that isn't. I don't know. Maybe it's because I've been using the Create T3 app for a while now. I haven't seen this like page. Yeah, but this is pretty nice. You can start editing this page. Okay, so I don't really need any other stuff. I don't even actually want to configure anything here. Just testing. So, hello world. Perfect. Okay. The thing I want to test here is this. So at /API hello there's a route, and I guess this is just going to be called /API/hello. Nice. That was very simple. Okay, so I want to see what happens when I get this request. What gives me back? So I visit this page. It's gonna dump out this request here. It's gonna inspect it. I guess you'd get most of all your information from the request object. IP undefined. URL, next URL. Ooh. What's the URL? Is this like a new thing? Because this is just added to your. Oh, it gives you your entire URL. That's interesting. I'll tell you what that's interesting. That's interesting when you want to do fetch requests on no. This would be more interesting if it was on like one of our pages. But you shouldn't need to do this on pages anymore. You shouldn't need to do this on pages anymore because you can just have an async component. Hey man, I was just looking at courses. I actually don't know what this is. Cert 5? Is it a 5 or 4? Is that 5 or a 6? It's I before lower number before the bigger number is lower. So it's Cert 4. Yeah. Information. Do you think that would be worth it? Interesting. So certificates are something that I feel like I really feel like they're less of like a learning experience and more of just like get your foot through the door kind of thing. Right. Yeah. I mean, I definitely ask someone else who's in that like the game dev industry. Even someone like super senior who's like in charge of hiring, like how they would respond to someone with that certification, and if that's how you know if it would be worth it or not. Like, is it a waste of my time if I actually go and get a certificate and no one cares about it? Versus, hey, it's like industry standard. I don't know personally what the game dev industry wants to see from their developers or like what looks good on your resume. But I would definitely like ask someone. So I think if I don't have a LinkedIn account right now on this browser, but I'd definitely like head over to like LinkedIn or ask someone on maybe even approach one of the hiring managers for some of these like game development companies. You can even do the smaller ones since they're more responsive. Yeah, I'd do that. Like if I really wanted to know if it was worth it or not. Okay, so what kind of games are you gonna? What kind of games are you looking to build? Like fully 3D, like Unreal Engine games, or is it like 2D slide scroller platforming games? Alright, so I get a full URL from this. Okay, so I want to see how can I get this thing to return me some JSON. So if I said JSON.stringify hello world, right? Would this come out properly? I mean, it's just printing a string, right? So I think I would actually have to like set a header as well. So headers, content type JSON. Oh, that's not how you do this. No, that's actually the wrong spot. Yeah, and then this will give me back a JSON response. So if I check, where is it? If I check this content type application JSON. Cool. And if I wanted to like set a status on this, like set like status 400, is that how I do it? Yeah, sweet. Okay. Okay, so all right. I mean, this pretty much works exactly like how I envisioned it working. So that's nice. What can I build? I didn't try the post. I don't know if I can actually try that here. Thank you, GitHub Copilot. Oh, you did like a whole thing. Okay, so the request, I can sit in the name. Yeah, let's do that. And then I can send back hello name back as my response. So, alright, let's just do a regular HTML form. Let's do something like this. So, form, I'll say method is post, and I have an input, which is a name, thank you, and I'll have a submit, and this will be going to, I forgot what it's called. Is it URL? No. It's not action. Is it action? Yeah, and then it's just slash API slash hello. Okay. And then if I go back over to this page, I can say Kenrick, submit that. Doesn't work. Oh, it's expecting JSON. It's not JSON actually. Request form data.